You have a big decision coming up, or you feel like you do. Who knows, right? But there's something coming up in life right now. There's a crossroads. There's a decision where one decision, one choice is going to take you this way, and another choice is going to take you this way. And you're going like this, but you're trying to see, really, is it like this? Which decision is going to take me higher, and which decision is going to continue the current situation that I'm in, the current vibration that I'm in, the current karma that I'm carrying? Am I going this way or this way? But I want to go up or down, right? We want to go up. We want to always go up. We want to always move higher into our higher self. The version of us that is in the highest reality. That reality makes this reality look like an illusion because it is an illusion. So when we're in this mode of making a decision, or we're in this chapter of life where now we have to decide something, and we feel within our heart that it's significant, because every single day isn't the same. And every single chapter isn't the same, and every single page within the chapter isn't the same. And our soul, our heart, our intuition knows when it's on the last chapter or the last page of this current chapter. And when we're on that last page, it is very important when we're in this place of, what do we do? What do we do? My brain tells me this, my heart tells me something else, but I don't even know what this other thing is. My brain's telling me this, but my heart's telling me this. My heart's telling me this, but I don't know what this is. I just know that what my heart and what my intuition is saying is different from what my brain is thinking. Nothing is required of you that is not in this moment. Here we are to the mind. Get some space. Get some space. Remember that you're not the mind. Remember that this moment is all that is required of you. This moment. And it's always this moment. It's always this moment. It's always now. So in the mind, when we're glued to the mind, when we're in the mind and we don't know that we are the observer of the mind, we're the one who sets the mind. When we forget that, we think that we have to make decisions outside of this moment. But this moment is all. It's the all is, the all now, the all happening. This is your only responsibility. Right now is right now. And that's the only responsibility we have. So when we feel like we are on the last page of the current chapter, the dog wants to contribute to this energy. When we feel like we're on the last page of the current chapter and it's about to turn and things are about to switch, this is how you make that decision. You make that decision by being now. This is all there is. There may not even be a decision for you to make. The decision may be made for you. But if you live in the mind, you'll always feel like there's a decision to make outside of the now. In the now is where enlightenment is. In the now is where God is. In the now is where your higher self always is. And in the now is your answer. The now is your answer. So the more you can bring yourself back here and get some space from the mind, the less these decisions bother you and torment you and cause you a little stress and cause you... Just be in the now. Just be in the now. Your higher self is in the now. Your higher wisdom is in the now. And the answer to your decision is in the now. Be in the now now Be in the now, later in the now. Don't worry about the last now. It's always now. So be now and let the heart know and the energy flow where it wants to go. You beautiful soul. Love.